Is reality an illusion? A question for the ages. Written by Neil deGrasse Tyson from the American Museum of Natural History. Have you ever questioned what is real? Our senses tell us one thing. What we see, hear, touch, taste, and smell feels real. But what if our senses deceive us? What if reality is not what it seems? This question has haunted philosophers and scientists for centuries. It is a question that strikes at the very core of our existence. From the ancient Greeks to modern physicists, thinkers have grappled with the nature of reality. Is there an objective world out there, or is it all just a figment of our imagination? The possibility that our reality is an illusion is both intriguing and unsettling. Join us as we explore the mind-blowing theories that challenge our perception of the world. This journey will take us from the depths of Plato's cave to the cutting edge of quantum physics. We will delve into the world of simulations, holograms, and the power of consciousness. Prepare to have your mind blown as we question everything we thought we knew about reality. Plato's cave, shadows, and reality. Over 2,000 years ago, the Greek philosopher Plato presented a powerful allegory. Imagine prisoners chained inside a cave. They have lived there since birth, unable to move their heads. Behind them, a fire burns. Between the fire and the prisoners, puppeteers walk carrying objects. The prisoners only see the shadows cast on the cave wall. These shadows become their reality. They give them names and believe them to be the true forms of the objects. One day, a prisoner escapes. He sees the fire, the puppets, and the objects themselves. He is blinded by the light but slowly adjusts. He realizes that the shadows were mere illusions. He returns to the cave to share his discovery. The other prisoners do not believe him. They cling to the only reality they have ever known. Plato's allegory is a timeless metaphor. It forces us to question our own perceptions. Are we like the prisoners in the cave, mistaking shadows for reality? The Matrix pop culture explores the simulation. The idea of reality as an illusion has permeated popular culture. The 1999 film The Matrix offered a compelling and terrifying vision. In this dystopian future, humans live unaware inside a simulated reality. Powerful computers feed their minds a fabricated world. The film's protagonist Neo is drawn into a hidden truth. He discovers the Matrix and joins a rebellion against the machines. The Matrix tapped into a deep human fear. Could we be living in a simulated world without knowing it? This question has sparked countless debates and philosophical discussions. The film's enduring popularity speaks to our fascination with the nature of reality. It also highlights our unease about the rapid advancements in technology. What if our technological creations eventually surpass our understanding? The Matrix serves as a cautionary tale and a thrilling thought experiment. It asks us to consider the boundaries between the real and the simulated. Living in a simulation, a scientific perspective. The idea of living in a simulation is not just science fiction. Some scientists believe it's a real possibility. The simulation hypothesis suggests that our universe is a sophisticated computer program. Everything we experience, from the stars in the sky to the feeling of the ground beneath our feet, is part of the code. Proponents of this theory point to the rapid advancements in computing power. They argue that future civilizations could create simulations indistinguishable from reality. If so, the odds suggest that we are more likely living in a simulation than in the original universe. While this theory remains speculative, it raises profound questions. How could we prove or disprove it? What are the implications for our understanding of existence if we are indeed simulated beings? The simulation hypothesis challenges us to rethink the very fabric of our reality. Quantum physics, the study of the subatomic world, has revealed a reality far stranger than fiction. At the quantum level, the rules of classical physics break down. Particles exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be in multiple states at once. The act of observation determines their final state. This observer effect suggests that consciousness is not merely passive, it plays an active role in shaping reality. Quantum entanglement, where particles are linked regardless of distance, further complicates our understanding. It suggests an interconnectedness that defies our intuitive notions of space and time. The bizarre and counterintuitive findings of quantum physics have shaken the foundations of our understanding of reality. They suggest a universe far more fluid and mysterious than we ever imagined. The holographic principle is another mind-bending theory that challenges our perception of reality. It proposes that our three-dimensional universe is actually a projection of information encoded on a distant two-dimensional surface. Imagine a hologram. It appears three-dimensional, but the information is stored on a flat surface. Similarly, the holographic principle suggests that our universe's information might be encoded on a distant surface at the edge of the cosmos. This surface would contain all the information needed to describe everything in our universe. This theory may seem outlandish. However, it finds support in string theory and black hole physics. If true, it would mean that our everyday experience of space and time is an illusion, a holographic projection of a deeper, more fundamental reality. The idea that reality is an illusion is not new. Ancient philosophical and spiritual traditions have long explored this concept. Eastern philosophies such as Hinduism and Buddhism emphasize the illusory nature of the material world. They view reality as a constantly changing flow of energy and consciousness. These ancient ideas resonate with some of the findings of modern science. Quantum physics and the holographic principle, while expressed in scientific language, echo similar concepts about the fluid and interconnected nature of reality. This convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science is striking. It suggests that we may be approaching a deeper understanding of the cosmos, one that transcends cultural and historical boundaries. The power of consciousness, shaping our reality. If reality is indeed an illusion, what role does consciousness play in creating it? Some theories propose that consciousness is fundamental. It actively shapes our perception of reality. This challenges the traditional view of consciousness as a product of the brain. Instead, it suggests that consciousness might be a primary force in the universe. The observer effect in quantum physics lends credence to this idea. It implies that the act of observation influences the behavior of particles. This raises profound questions about the relationship between mind and matter. Can consciousness create reality? While this remains a topic of debate, the possibility is both exciting and daunting. It suggests that we have a greater role in shaping our reality than we realize. The search for truth, a journey without end. The question of whether reality is an illusion is ultimately a philosophical one. Science can provide clues and insights. However, it may never definitively answer this question. The nature of reality is a mystery that humans have pondered for millennia. It is a journey without a final destination. This journey is not about finding the right answer. It is about expanding our minds, questioning our assumptions, and embracing the unknown. The search for truth is an ongoing process, a continuous exploration of the nature of existence. Each generation will grapple with these questions, using the tools and knowledge of their time. The pursuit of understanding is what makes us human. It is a testament to our curiosity and our desire to comprehend the vast and mysterious universe we inhabit. Embracing the mystery, living with uncertainty. The possibility that reality is an illusion can be unsettling. It challenges our deeply held beliefs about the world. However, it can also be liberating. It frees us from rigid thinking and encourages us to embrace the mystery of existence. Living with uncertainty is not easy. We crave certainty and stability. Yet the universe is inherently uncertain. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. Embracing this uncertainty allows us to approach life with a sense of wonder and awe. It opens us up to new possibilities and invites us to question everything. This questioning is not about finding definitive answers. It is about fostering a sense of curiosity and a willingness to explore the unknown. The illusion of reality, a call to awareness. The idea that reality is an illusion is a powerful concept. It forces us to confront the limitations of our perception. It reminds us that what we perceive as reality is just our interpretation of it. This interpretation is shaped by our senses, experiences, beliefs, and expectations. Understanding this can be empowering. It means that we are not passive observers of reality. We are active participants in its creation. By becoming aware of the filters through which we experience the world, we can start to question them. We can challenge our assumptions and expand our understanding of what is real. This is not about denying the physical world or retreating into solipsism. It is about recognizing the power of our minds in shaping our reality. It is a call to awareness, to mindfulness, to question everything we think we know. It is an invitation to embark on a lifelong journey of exploration and discovery,